Alright, y'all, so I just made a smoothie bowl. Well, not a smoothie bowl yet. I'm making it now. But I did just blend up. So I used this coconut milk. And then I also added in some Greek yogurt. And then I also added in some sliced peaches. Also, mango chunks. And strawberries. So now we're about to looks so good, I can't wait to eat it. Alright, so I just added in smoothie in there, and then I got some protein granola that I'm also gonna add on there, and bananas and strawberries too. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so now I'm adding my strawberries on. I already put my bananas. Y'all, this is about to be so, excuse my kids, so good. Like, extremely bomb. Okay, I'm just so ready to dig in. Like, I wonder how this is gonna taste. It's mixed berry, so should add some. Yeah, it's clusters, so I'm just trying to crush it up so that way it's not clusters.